This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
In the passenger's footwell, operate the bonnet release lever. Lift up the safety catch, open the bonnet and support it with the strut. The air filter cover is secured by 4 screws. Undo the screws, lift up the cover and remove the filter element. Remove any debris from the air filter housing, being careful not to get dirt into the inlet duct. Insert the new filter element with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the cover and tighten the screws securely. Unclip and fold away the strut. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock.